Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap right now, we're currently sitting at $2.03 trillion, up 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance continues to pull down, and we're currently sitting at 53.4%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing mild red across the board, but that's nothing to worry about. I believe we will see our next leg up very, very soon. But guys, today I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been requested a lot by my viewers, and that is none other than Ecomi. So, if you guys know, Ecomi has been making, a lot of headlines across the cryptocurrency industry, and a lot of people are, wondering what is this project all about. So I will briefly go over what this project is all about and what it has to offer, and then we will come at the end and do our price analysis for this coin. But right now, if we're looking at the price of Ecomi, it's currently trading at 0.0091 cents. It's up 1.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2.4% in BTC comparative. Market cap is $1.5 billion, and 24-hour trading volume is $20.6 billion. And if we're looking at the markets it's listed on right now, it's listed on only BitMEX, guys, and Bitforex and Gate.io, and recently Uniswap. So volume, considering the exchanges it's on, the volume it has right now, $20 million, is a very, very impressive in my opinion, considering the fact that it's only on some of these exchanges that are not even well known. So I believe in the long term there will be bigger exchanges. But let's jump into this project. So if you guys don't know what Ecomi is, and you guys want to briefly know about it, I will go over it. But at the end of the day, you guys got to do more research into it to really know about the coin. But I will briefly go over it to the people that are new. So yeah, what is Ecomi? So Ecomi is a Singapore-based technology company in the digital collectible space. The company has created Vivi, a blockchain-based, digital collectible marketplace for users to buy and share their collectibles across the social network services. Ecomi is made up of two different elements. The former Ecomi Collect ecosystem is now known as Vivi, and the Ecomi Secure Storage Wallet. Vivi contains the Vivi Store, a second-hand market, and augmented reality showroom, and a social feed. Vivi works with brands including Batman, Superman, Harley Quinn, Ghostbusters, NFL, and MLB, along with others. The OMI token is a utility token that is used as a medium of exchange when a user buys, sells, or trades their digital collectibles on the Vivi platform. OMI also ensures the immutable records of ownership for the digital collectibles. So keep in mind about this Vivi, keep that name in mind, Vivi. All right. So what makes now you may be asking, what makes Ecomi unique? Ecomi allows users to buy both, and sell digital collectibles, as well as show off their items with Vivi's social media aspect. Vivi also has brand partnerships with well-known licensors in traditional collector markets, as mentioned, including many DC characters like Batman and Wonder Woman. Vivi allows users to create virtual showrooms to share their collectibles with other users globally, both on their phones and in augmented, reality form that allows you to physically walk around these virtual settings. The augmented reality of Vivi means that you can also place your collectibles around you in AR. Wow! So if we're looking at their website right now, this is their website. So it says Vivi. Vivi is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With Vivi, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in the virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles with one another. VV users all from the palm of their hand. So as you guys may know, the NFT hype, everyone is talking about these non-fungible tokens and these digital art, and it's been like, trending everywhere, guys. It's been absolutely trending everywhere right now, and this is why Ecomi is very hyped up as well, in my opinion, because NFT craze is very high. So Ecomi is BV is something that is revolving around NFTs, and that's why we are seeing a lot of interest in this project. So what is a secure wallet? With hundreds and millions of digital assets stolen each year, keeping your digital currencies and private keys safe is now more important than ever. The secure wallet employs a world-leading security, which is combined with ultra portability in a world's first credit card sized cold storage hardware wallet. So if you guys know what a hardware wallet is, you guys own your private keys, because nowadays, if you're new to the space, you might not know this, but when you are when you have your money on these exchanges, you do not own the private keys at the end of the day. Sure, you guys do own the account, and you guys own the login information and stuff, but you guys do not own the private keys in a sense. So you guys really do not own your currencies 100%, because the exchange owners own these private keys, because these are centralized exchanges. So with a hardware wallet, you can store your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs. In this case, with VV's card, Ecomi's card, you can store your NFTs on there, Bitcoin and stuff, and you own your private keys at that point. So you own your Bitcoin 100%, and let's say you want to trade it now, then you can send it through from this card, you can send it onto an exchange and then trade. I always strongly recommend you guys to keep, if you guys are in it for the long haul, never ever keep your hard-earned money on these centralized exchanges, regardless of how big these exchanges are, because guys, these exchanges are centralized at the end of the day, and they can get hacked very easily. Despite the fact they are big or not, still they can get hacked 100%. Oh yeah, so yeah, you can with Ecomi's card, you can store the NFTs, you can also store digital assets, which is very, very convenient in my opinion, because you could take the card anywhere you want, and it's so easy to hold, rather than holding a ledger or a Trezor. So yeah, that's very interesting in my opinion. I strongly encourage you guys to check out their website for full information. Also, if we're looking at their Twitter account, guys, Twitter account has 62.3 thousand followers. So the hype is there, and a lot of interest is in this project for sure. As I mentioned earlier, the NFT craze, a lot of people are wanting to get into this NFT space, and they want to participate in this, and there's Ecomi, and VV is solving that for a lot of people. And yeah, so one thing that is really, really interesting is, as I mentioned earlier, they have their VV is working with brands like, including Batman, Superman, Ghostbusters, NFL, and MLB. As you guys may know, these companies, these brands also want to get into this NFT craze, because what does it bring at the end of the day? It brings a lot of extra revenue. As you guys may know, we're going through a pandemic which shall not be named. A lot of these companies did lose millions and millions of dollars. So easy way for them to recoup that is by giving some exclusive digital art that they can sell, and sell to their fans, and earn some money out of that, and bring in some revenue that they have missed out due to the pandemic, which shall not be named, and recoup some of the losses. So that's a very, very big thing in my opinion. VV is helping them out with that, and helping these big organizations and come into this NFT space through them. So that's a very, very bullish sign. So names like NFL, Ghostbusters, Batman, Superman, these names are known around the world, and Ecomi, that's exactly why we're seeing Ecomi's price surge very, very sharply. If we're looking at Ecomi's price, guys, in just the last 1 year, you guys will be shocked what happened to the price. It is up from its bottom. It's up all 27,100, and it's up. Oh my goodness, my bad. It's up 271,000% from its all-time low. from its all-time low, guys. That's absolutely insane. Even this year alone, guys, it's up quite a bit, guys, like quite a bit. And this goes to show, guys, this goes to show, if you guys do your research into these projects and you guys do your due diligence and actually believe in the project and you hold, you will be rewarded. Imagine the people who bought here and actually hold and saw the vision. They are being rewarded heavily, and they truly do deserve their rewards. So like I said, this goes to show, if you do your due diligence and invest what you can afford to lose and actually just hold strong, rewards will be distributed. And this is exactly what we're seeing right now. So now you may be asking, where could Ecomi go? So, guys, this is just my own personal opinion, but I believe Ecomi has a very, big potential within this bull run for sure. Because, like I mentioned, the NFT hype, there's NFT craze is absolutely insane, guys. All these celebrities are doing it, companies are doing it, players are doing it now. And, I don't see NFTs going anywhere anytime soon. So if we're looking at Google Trends, guys, look at the Google Trends in the last 1 year. NFTs have been trending like crazy. And I don't see, NFT hype going anywhere. So, considering the fact that, Ecomi has pulled this kind of number, these kind of gains with the exchanges it's listing on, it's very bullish in my opinion. I believe this project will eventually get listed on, Binance and KuCoin, Huobi, because the demand is there. These exchange owners know that demand is there, and it could possibly like very well get listed on those exchanges. And if that happened, more people do have access to these exchanges, and more volume will kick in, and I believe the price could skyrocket definitely. Yeah, and considering what they're solving, I believe there is definitely upside potential, despite the fact that it's already up so much. Because, as you guys may know, we're in an altcoin season, guys. We're in an altcoin season right now. And if you look at this tweet from Eurosniper, he says the biggest alt run is in history, like is absolutely starting right now. The last bull cycle started here and topped up here. Our bull cycle started around here, and I believe we're just getting started. And I see, and along with a lot of these other big analysts, also see, this bull cycle, especially altcoin cycle, to be very massive. So now you may be asking, what does that mean for Ecomi? So if we were to see that type of parabolic, parabolic magnitude type of run for altcoins, I believe Ecomi could pull 5 to 10x this year alone. Because guys, when the markets do move that fast, everything moves up very quickly, and projects that actually have a use case, a big community, they tend to do very good. And I believe Ecomi does have a high potential for sure. I could easily see it pull a 10x this year if we were to see that type of magnitude of a bull run, and if it got listed on more exchanges. Definitely there is a future for this coin. So yeah, that I want to put that out there for sure. But yeah, just one, if you ask me, is there anything that you don't like about this project? Everything seems very interesting to me. I personally do not own any Ecomi, but I might be picking some up. But one thing that I don't like about this project is obviously the liquidity. The liquidity is very low. It's on very less exchanges, but I believe that will change over time because of the interest, the amount of interest there is in this project. I believe more exchanges will eventually list this project, and once they do more, partnerships with bigger brands, and get them to come into the NFT space, I believe this could be very big. But this is just pure speculation, guys. Only time will tell. But like I said, I could see Ecomi pull 5 to 10x this year, as long as it gets more liquidity and more and more exchanges start listing it, and as long as we do get the bull run that I'm talking about. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up around here, guys. But before I end this video, please always do your research before investing in these markets, and always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. Never throw your life savings into crypto, guys. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.